Hey there everybody, today is Tuesday, the 26th day of March 2024, and it's just after 10 o'clock in the morning. What you're looking at here is called Kempner Park in Galveston, Texas. This is not what I'm here to show you, but I am here to show you this right here. And this is called the 1880 Rain House, I believe. That's what I saw on the map. I actually did take pictures of this before. When I first got here, I walked in that little park over there, and they have this big old house, and you can see just how beautiful it is. And I don't know of any other way to describe it other than beautiful. It's got a front porch up there. I want to show you. And so here, we'll even walk around. I am on O Avenue, by the way, in Galveston. This will be my final house shoot, because we are, well, by the time you see this video, we will have long departed Galveston. And so I just wanted to show you what is on O Street, because from what I've seen, there's some beautiful stuff here, and this of course is one of the crown jewels. Let's go ahead and start this trip, and we'll take her from there. Okay, this is the next house I ran into about a block down the street. And if you look closely at it, you'll see it's white brick, and then it's got some of the white wood along the wall of the porch there and up on the ceiling. But the rest of this is brick and all white. And as I've said before, you don't see too many brick houses here. It does have a full porch, and underneath here you can see there's a place to sit. It's got this wrought iron all the way down through here. Nice palm trees on the street. And this is 2620 O Avenue. Okay, right next door to the white brick one I just shot. This one's mostly wood, but the columns here on the porches are brick, so they did use that. So you don't see that too much. You see their driveway here goes out like this to the street. This is 2608, and it's got what looks like, I don't know, Japanese or Chinese symbols or something up there, I'm not sure. Got a wraparound porch here actually, so that adds value. And it's got these little entrance columns here with the lights on them to kind of frame it out. So hopefully you like this one. Alright, this one here, you can see it's the only angle I can get it at, because those are all big tall bushes there. So we just have this angle. You know, I can't step on their property. I can't step here. I'm still on the public sidewalk. Got a nice setting. Nice trees. Very nice house, of course. A couple columns up there with the porch. So hopefully you like this setting. Here is another giant mansion, but you can see it's gated. It's walled all the way down the end and all the way down there. So they definitely don't want you on the property. But I can step up to the gate and just get you as good a view of the house as I can. Got really nice trees. Got a great big area here. So they've got a nice place. So hopefully you've enjoyed this one as well. If you have seen my 25th Street video, you've seen this house. I didn't realize these were going to intersect, but they do. You see this gorgeous tree and beautiful limb. But here's this house, got a front porch on it, pretty much a full frontal porch. I took it from the corner back there where I started this video the last time I shot this. And they've got some gas lamps up there burning. Let me show you here if I can. Alright, first of all, if you look right up in the middle of the porch, gas. And then over on the side, on the right, is behind that column, is one. And I come here. Oops, let's see. If you look on that side of this side of the column there, there's a gas lamp there. Pretty cool feature. Got a great big garage back there on the right. And overall, pretty nice and absolutely gorgeous trees. So got a good setting. Okay, other than just a slight cleaning. This nice yellow house here. You see the porch up there at the top. Nice staircase here. Looks like an orange door. up there. We'll see as we walk by here. There you go. See, you've got some detail. I'll try to zoom in on that, show that to you up close. Got some nice work on it there. Got big shutters. And then this looks to be a separate house. And it is. Man, they're so close together. Look at this. That's pretty wild. It's got a nice big porch up there. Same type of thing down here. And it looks like it is a, yep, it's a 1900 Survivor. Right there by the door if you look. So there's that. Alright, pretty cool. Alright, so right here before us we have this nice beauty here. You can see. And she is pretty. It's got two nice porches, of course. Got a ceiling fan up there at the top. Got some nice little bit of work here and there. Gingerbread, as some call it, to show it off with a little bit. So that's a nice place. And then this one here now, this one has got fish scales right around in here. So that part's nice. Got a porch. Got what looks like wrought iron. Well, they got a wrought iron fence out here in front. They got it on the stair rails, and they've got it on the porch rails up there too. So that is a pretty good looking place as well. So I like that. Okay, this little tiny house, I want to start here in this corner. And I call it little and tiny just because it's not. But you see here, it's a great big square mansion. Got some good sized windows on it. That's old glass. I can see as I'm walking by, I don't know if it shows up on this, but these windows here, you can see them waving and stuff. That's definitely old glass. This is the Avenue Old Bed and Breakfast of Galveston, Texas, and if you ever want to contact them, right there's their phone number. So this is 2323 O Avenue, and there is the house in all of its glory. Got this little tree of these red berries. No parking area there. So hopefully you like this one. Alright, then the one right next to the bed and breakfast I just shot you. You can see this is big. For some reason they got these front steps roped off here at the bottom, and up at the top they got the yellow. You know, more or less, well, caution. Yeah, that says caution. This one's 2327. Again, O Avenue, and you can see these are wraparound porches with the nice curves. So those I definitely always like a lot. If you've seen my pictures or watched my videos, you know that these are just the cream of the crop. Now, it's probably a little bit dark, but the GoPro generally does a pretty good job. So hopefully you like this one, because I know I sure do. I have to capture this one just for its uniqueness. Maybe hard to see on this video, but up here at the very, very top, there's a little detail up there. You see it's blue, and down here at the bottom, this is all fish scales. Then the porch up here is brick, and then it's topped with yellow paint. 2419. So you can see the way that it is. Oh, it's so different. It's cool. I have to capture it. Okay, I want you to take a look at this beauty here. And she is all that, let me tell you. She is absolutely beautiful. Nice porches, orange door. I'm gonna cross here now before I get run over. Nice porch up at the top, of course, porch at the bottom. Both are very, very nice. Curious to get up here. But yeah, it's got orange top and bottom. And then this is just the side. It's got this nice picket fence here. And even back here on the side, check this out, it's got a porch up here on this side with an orange door. So they've definitely used the orange accent to appeal for sure. That's it. And then the wraparound porch there, you can see. Very nice. All right, look at this next one here. Now this one, now that's actually a brick house. They've painted it blue. But boy, those columns and then that little balcony up there. That you can't really access it, but just for looks, man, it looks really good, doesn't it? See the stairs on it down here. Then they've even got the, looks like marble to me, marble steps, marble walk, the whole 9 yards. Very nice place. I like this one a lot. I'd always like to give my reasons for why I pick a place to capture. Well, this one, there's several things actually. This tree right there is one big thing. The color of the house is another. It's a nice color. They've got a whale, I think. No, a mermaid. There's a mermaid up there at the top of that right there. Now, there's no porch on this house, but some other features that I like about it is the door. It's got a nice color. The yellow around it. All the various glasswork and stuff there is very nice too. So for those reasons, I'm bringing this house to you. It's 2611, and it is a beautiful house. You know, we get all the noise with all the traffic, but hopefully my voice is coming through. Hopefully you like this one. Now, this gal here, no doubt, can absolutely use a paint job. If you look right around that window right there, that's proof enough. And if you look up the dormer, that's proof enough as well. But look at the details on this. As I come around, we'll see all the true beauty of this, I do believe. It's made of concrete down here. These are concrete things for the stair right there. This is 2701. It's got fish scales through here. You see the detail up there, the two dormers. Again, they need work, no doubt about it. I see that sign over says National Register of Historic Places right there, and it says circa 1889, I want to say it says. It's hard to tell, but I think that's what it says. But this should pretty much get you the whole place. So you see there's a lot of beauty in the windows and all the details, so hopefully for that you can appreciate this one. I know I do. And it's next to neighbors here. I'll go ahead and get both of these. It's right beside the one that needs the work that I just shot. Here we're on some good shade, so this is nice. Look at the detail. I mean, you start at the top, the shutters and things, all the work around, top and bottom. Very nice. Here it's got a really nice staircase. Got a really cool door up there actually. Let me stop right here, zoom in, and I'll show you that up close and personal. Okay, now you look up here at the top, see it's got a little diamond work there, got some fish scales right there, and got the little balls in those things, and in the railings up there on top of the porch. And then it's brickwork all down here at the bottom. So no yard work, which is cool. Very good looking little place. Okay, and before I shut this off, we'll look at this one as well right beside it. Pretty much an identical twin, just different color, same exact type of details throughout, brickwork. Got a feeling these are owned by the same people, person, or something. Now this one has got it's got several plaques right there. I think the one's the 1900 survivor. It's hard for me to tell, honestly. But here, I'll bring you over and show you the door up there. Red door, black trim, two tall shutters beside it. Pretty cool. Alright, hope you like these two. Alright, now on this one, you know the double porches get me, so that's not a automatic guarantee. However, this one is adding something that I don't see too much of across this whole lower front, all the way through here. This is all fish scale. I've seen some fish scales, of course, but I don't think to this much in one area. So that is a neat feature, at least I think it is. And then here, I'm going to bring you up here. I'm going to show you this here for a second. That big yellow door. That's so different. You've just got to see it, and you'll see those fish scales too with the zoom in, if nothing else. So hopefully you like this one. And I know I've at least taken a phone picture of this house here. You see it's truly gorgeous, and where it's at is right across the street from where I started. See, I walked down that way and I've come back up on this other side just so you can understand where I'm at when you watch this video, if you know this area. Look at the big chimneys up there at the top. dormer up there as well. Got this wrought iron fence all the way down here. And forgive the bad audio, because I'm sure it's got definitely some badness in it with all this traffic. Okay, I just discovered something. This place is for sale. So there you go. There's the sign. It says Thurman Nassoy, Nassoiy, 713-854-2712 of ThurmanKnowsHomes.com, and the sale is pending. And this one's got a sign too. Okay, this one's 2805. I mean, just look at the work and the red, and you know, it's got several of the symbols up there on it. A lot of brickwork here. And this is the Seeley and Mary Hutchings house. Here, I will step up here. Yeah, take that, pause that. You can read all this thing and see all about the history of this. But boy, I mean, it's one of the more gorgeous homes, I got to tell you, that I've seen. I mean, and I've seen a number of them, don't get me wrong. I mean, you know, this one's not the top, but it's up there. And in fact, you see, if you own this, you have this gate here, and so you have a driveway right there. And look at there, there's a room over top of that even. Wouldn't that make a nice study or something like that? And then there's some stairs back there, little columns and things. Then you got all this yard here even. So talk about sweet. I hope you've enjoyed this one. I know you had to have, even with that detail on this side. All right, well, I said there ain't too many brick homes around here, so I got to bring you this one. This thing is brick from top to bottom, minus the roof. Even the wall here, you can see, is all brick. So it is unique enough. Got a nice big front porch. Green tile roof up there. Got these nice bases and everything here. There's like some old glass in the windows as well. So it's definitely an older home. It's 2925. Big wide door up there. Nice magnolia in the yard. So pretty good looking place. I think you like this one too.